This video will demonstrate the unique properties and advantages of the RingTrough. First thing you notice is the size. This is 40 feet across. Well, it's 40 inches, but 1 inch equals a foot. The final one will be 40 feet. It's twice the size of existing trough systems. This will reflect twice the amount of sunlight onto the same length of collector tube. The structure can be twice the size because of the 20-foot wide ring beam. Notice the portion of the mirror suspended between the ring beam. That aperture is about equal in size to the entire existing trough assemblies. Extending out from the ring beam are wings which extend the aperture out to 40 feet. Here's the key feature of the RingTrough, besides being twice the size. The collector tube is not connected in any way to the trough. It is suspended by a catenary wire. The trough rotates around the collector tube. There are no flexible connections from collector tube to manifold. This allows the collector tube to be increased in size and strength to accommodate the higher temperatures and pressures associated with gases. It also allows for the substitution of other focal line devices. The one I'm most excited about is a focal line desalination unit. Most seawater is desalinated by multi-stage flash evaporation. Seawater is preheated and placed in a focal line steam drum. The RingTrough adds the heat needed to flash the water into steam. Only the water turns to steam and the salt is left behind in the steam drum. The steam is under pressure, exits the steam drum, and travels to a condenser unit where it is cooled back to water. That water is pure and drinkable. This is repeated twice more since the brine's already heated up, and the seawater is now a brine and is pumped back to the ocean. Fresh water is desperately needed worldwide, and the RingTrough can provide it. Another focal line substitution can be a conveyor belt. Processed heat is used to dry fruits, vegetables, meats, roast nuts, or even bake bread. A solar-heated conveyor belt has unlimited uses for a farm, small business, or industry. Another unique feature of the RingTrough is the ability of the wings to fold inward at night or during inclement weather. Many of the places solar energy is most effective are also the driest and therefore prone to dust. Folding in the wings will protect the RingTrough mirrors and minimize the wind loading during severe windstorms. The rotation of the device itself will act as the mechanism to fold and unfold the wings. I brought this device out a few days ago, and the air temperature is about 45 degrees. Less than a minute later, I touched the collector tube and pulled my hand away. I put a thermometer on the collector tube, and it registered 200 degrees. Not bad for a 40-inch wide mirror on a 45-degree day a few weeks before the winter solstice. Imagine a 40-foot wide aperture on a hot day near the equator. Thank you. For more information, go to gensolar.com.